Subscribe and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Green Bengal.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Green Bengal. I am Abhishek. Today I am going to show you summer flower seeds that I purchased from Amazon. This is not a promotional video. The packaging is good and in the packet we get different seeds like sunflower, zinnia, cosmos, vinca and more. All seeds look like healthy and good quality. I really like this product and I hope you will also like it. Thank you for watching my video.